Hi guys, share ko lang pala itong Texas Roadhouse experience namin sa may Estancia Mall. So unang-una is nag-serve sila ng dinner bread rolls. So sobrang lambot ng bread dyan guys. And then saktong-sakto yung cinnamon butter na kasama. Next we had this seafood platter. Meron siyang grilled shrimp, fish fillet, and also may calamari. Sobrang sarap ng tartar sauce, bagay na bagay dun sa platter. For side dish, meron siyang kasamang mashed potato and overload mashed potato with additional charge sa overload. And then we have this next platter, of course, dahil mahilig tayo sa hipon, additional hipon na naman. Together with the ribs. Yung ribs is tender and then malasa and also not dry. And here we have the menus. And also guys, meron silang promo for BPI card holders. This is every Friday and Saturday. Unfortunately, late na naming nalaman. Kaya last day nila sa March 15 and 16. Kaya sugod na kayo guys kasi yung promo na yan is nationwide for our BPI card holders with just a minimum single receipt of 3,000 and maximum single receipt of 5,000. 50% off din yan guys, kaya wag nyo nang palalampasin. Sumugod na kayo sa pinakamalapit na Texas Roadhouse. Sure na hindi kayo magsisisi. And then masarap, madami, and sulit na sulit ang babayaran nyo talaga. So yun lang guys, please like, share, and follow. Maganda rin ang banyo nila. Sugod na! Happy Monday everyone! Goodbye!